In this section, we will concentrate on the data mining and data cleaning. So in this section, we will take a look at the input data structure that we need to analyze, transform, and draw a conclusion from it. We will use an RD API in the data mining process. We will load our input data and clean it in the proper way to prepare it for further processing. This is a first video of the second section, and we will be looking at the input data structure, because in all big data processing applications, the data is the most important thing. In this video, first we need to think what problem we want to solve actually with our data, and then prepare data for that problem. We will look at the input data structure, and we will think how to prepare input data for processing, how our data mining process should look like. So what problem we want to solve? So we given n numbers of text files, we want to count unique words, occurrences in those files. So basically we want this a word count problem. So having some n numbers of text files to analyze each of those files and aggregate results into RDD and count those results. Then we want to sort results descending and return top 10 results. So that is our problem, and we need to bear in mind that problem definition when we are looking at the data. So let's look at the input text files. So text files are books written in English language. That's sometimes ancient English, not like present one. So there will be interesting and different words used there. So let's look at our input data. So we fetch our books into two files. The first is a book to analyze.txt, and second is book to analyze2.txt. And as you see, this is an ebook in the TXT format. And first is English Hero Tales. So it's like from 2016, so it's like present one. And we have, let's look at it. We have some special marks, like probably we want to ignore them in the analytics process, in the data mining process. We want to analyze parentheses. No, I don't think so. Also, we don't want to analyze whole white spaces and tabs. We have also some underscores here, some special characters like dots and others. So we have like we see here, we have some numbers here. If we want to analyze it, there is a question also. We need to tackle those problems. And the second book is like here, and it's released in 2011. And we also have some special characters like stars here. We use dash here, some URL, and everything is a question if you want to analyze it and count words on or don't. And yeah, we have some really weird characters here, because like it's not English author. Yeah, bear in mind that we can pass an text file to our program. So as we look at our text data structure, we need to think how to prepare data to further processing. It's a whole data mining thing. First, we need to tokenize our text input into string tokens, because we want to all processing, and our program will to operate on this token strings, single string. So one string is equal one word. So that will be our counting unique words, and we need to remove all white spaces as we saw, because there is a lot of it, some tabs and other things. We need to filter our empty strings because we don't want to analyze an empty string. And we need to map our words to lowercase to normalize it, because also when we have two words, one is in the camel case, other is in the lower cases, we need to normalize them into same form to be able to count it properly.